In this video, I will show you how to get started with SCP Project Unreal. First, you will have to check if you have Unreal Engine 4.27.2 installed. You can install it on the Epic Games Launcher. Just go to the Unreal Engine tab, press plus on engine version and pick 4.27. After you have checked that, check if you have any Visual Studio version installed. I recommend Visual Studio Community 2019, even though I have 2022. If you have Unreal Engine 4.27 and Visual Studio, you can press right here and download the zip. This will download it into your downloads folder. Or you can open it with GitHub Desktop if you have that and add it. After you've downloaded it, go to the folder or unzip and open it if you downloaded it on the website. And right click on the scppu.uproject file. Then you can press on Generate Visual Studio Project Files. Then it'll load for a bit. And then this file should appear. Never open the project with just the .uproject file. You will always have to open it using the .sln file. Just double click it and it should open in Visual Studio. Just wait a bit. The loading times on this project are crazy in general on Unreal Engine projects with C++ enabled, so don't get scared if something takes a bit longer to load. It takes a lot of time. After it loaded, look in the top left corner. Under the build thingy, there's this combo box, and there you will have to select Development Editor. Then in this combo box, there should already be local Windows Debugger. If that's not there, click on the arrow beside it and search it right here. Or just press F5. Then it should start opening Unreal, and this is the part that takes the most amount of time, so don't get scared. After a bit you will see the editor appearing, but it'll still have to compile shaders and stuff. For me, it loaded really quickly because I already had it on my PC before and the shaders are already compiled. But I promise to you, depending on your PC, it'll take from 3 anywhere to 10 minutes or something like that just to see this editor. And in the editor there will be another pop-up that says compiling shaders. But now you're in the editor. Now you can just press play, for example, and don't get scared because it lags or something. It probably will lag if you open it for the first time. Then you can just test out the game. And by the way, a quick tip, if it really lags for you, you can go right here in the settings. Under engine scalability settings, you can pick a lower quality, like just press right here or change the individual graphic options. It will not look as good as you can see, but it will improve performance a lot. And now that you know everything, go have fun with SCP Project Unreal.